Well, this is me and Twinkle. She's adorable. But if she turns around, you'll be able to see her ass. So, we don't want that. But, she's nice. Kitty! Kitty, 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 kitty! I have another cat. I have baby kitties too, but I have no idea where they are. Over here? Nope. All you're gonna see is Twinkle today. She's a grandma. I wanted to name her Star when I was little, but I couldn't say it. I kept on saying Tar. Like, I couldn't say st, so I said Tar. Tar, you know, Tar. Twinkle, twinkle, little Tar. So, yeah. That's why I wanted to name her Dad. She's so cute. See, now watch this. Come on, come on. You know what I mean? Put your tail down. Tail down. Tail. You idiot. Okay, bye.